And welcome back to the Business Spotlight. I'm your host, Patrick Dewar. My guest today, Kimberly Doom, an attorney in the Dallas-Fort Worth area with Lloyd Ward and Associates at lloydward.com. You're going to love this interview because Kimberly has been working in the family law as well as the business law in the DFW area, and she can serve all of the state of Texas. Thank you so much, Kimberly.
Thanks again for having me.
I want to get into in this segment what you guys are doing to create the success you're having. We talked a little bit about Lloyd Ward being a boutique, but what else are you guys doing that makes you guys so unique in the marketplace?
I think mostly what we do is give really good client service. We can relate to the clients. We listen to the clients and listen to what they're wanting. And more importantly, we help set the expectations of what they can expect, what the process is like, because the legal world is very, very scary and most people don't understand. So what is very important is they understand what's going on, and this is what you can expect, and this is how what you're asking for measures up against the expectations, so that we're not promising something we can't deliver, but that we can work really hard to achieve their objectives.
Right. I know that that's a big part. Now, some of the areas of expertise that you guys deal with?
We deal with, the firm as a whole deals with business law, litigation, corporations, incorporations, transactional items, any of those things we can service.
Go ahead. I was going to say I even saw oil and gas
Yes.
Law.
Yes.
And do you guys do anything with the real estate area and things of that nature?
We do. We do transactional work. Anything that a business is going to need, we can service. We can do that work for them.
Awesome. One of the reasons why Mark Hardy is back on, and welcome back on the show, Mark.
Thanks, Pat.
Yeah, Mark Hardy, PR specialist. Main Topic Media is your company.
Yes.
And your website again, Mark?
MainTopicMedia.com or 30minutepr.com.
And that's because you're the guy that has the tools to help somebody really, I want to say, get themselves out there.
Yeah, and one of the questions I had for you is, I wanted to approach this like a potential client would. And so what I did is I Googled you. I actually didn't Google you, I Googled Lloyd Ward. And one of the things that I saw was a 5-star review for you personally for a particular case. So my question is, so much what's happening right now, people are making decisions online. It's not just restaurants, like where to go to eat. It's making key decisions, particularly with professional services, like a law firm. So is that something you envision your firm doing more of, being more proactive in terms of getting those positive client relationships, things out there into the internet or the media?
Absolutely, that's what we do. And I get a lot of clients who are grateful. What can I do? That kind of thing. How can I repay you? And I always ask, just go online, give me a great review, because I myself am one of those people who research things that way, and it really does make a difference.
Excellent.
I know that one of the other things that you're really known for, Mark, is reputation management. Are there, as for any attorney, are there keys that they should begin to implement?
Absolutely, and with the risk of this sounding a little bit self-serving, recently Google made a lot of changes, and it made it very difficult. There's a term, search engine optimization, and just when you think you know what the game plan and the rules are, Google changes it. So now you've got to kind of be reactive, and one of the things that not only will work now, but today, tomorrow, next year, is what we're doing right now, video. Google owns YouTube. Do you think they have a self-interest in seeing that videos are going to be ranked accordingly? So if you look, now assuming the video is entered properly and uses the right keywords without getting too technical, so somebody's doing a search, videos are going to rank higher. So that has two advantages. One is that if there's something bad, you can push it down because video will rank higher. And number two, it's gets positive messages out there. And if it's a video, somebody can bond with you. They can see who you are, what you sound like. You can build a little bit of rapport that you couldn't do just with text on a web page.
That is really good. I know as we're wrapping up this segment, one, I hope that you guys will begin to employ some of the pieces. But the idea in the Business Spotlight is really, let's shine a big light on what you're doing and then add value always. So I hope that you've enjoyed that segment. I know we've got another segment coming with Kathy Brandon. Kathy's a social media specialist. She has figured out what I call the key ingredient or the combination on getting an ROI on your social media. So I know that you'll want to be here for that. This is Pat Dewar and the Business Spotlight, and we'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Lloyd Ward. Welcome to the law offices of Lloyd Ward & Associates.
At Lloyd Ward & Associates, we are a results-driven law firm, aggressively representing individuals and companies of all sizes who seek the knowledgeable legal counsel and skilled team of attorneys in the Dallas area. Known for our integrity and long-term relationships with our clients, we work to provide you with the most practical and cost-effective litigation solutions available. So if you have an issue in the matters of oil and gas law, business law, real estate law, or even just civil litigation, our professional staff of licensed law practitioners will provide the quality preventative law you need. Lloyd Ward has 25 years of experience and a team of fierce, practical advocates with your best interest in mind. We understand that in an ever-growing digital world, business is no longer conducted from 9 to 5. That's why we're always available. Lloyd Ward & Associates. Call us or visit us online.